normally you would do a bicarbonate of soda bath, which is you boil a pot of 4 cups of water in a pot till it's simmering, and then you add half a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda, and then dunk the pretzels in with a spatula and then put them on the tray. But it's quite messy because of the bicarbonate of soda, so I'm going to try a different way today. I'm going to try and brush it with that mixture instead. So we'll see how it goes, but so then people know what I did for my other 2 batches that I put on Instagram that are like crispy all the way around. I dunked it and then put it on a baking sheet because baking paper, it comes off. Found that out for the first batch and we were just eating paper, but it's fine.